Okay, I'm going to make coconut cheesecake ice cream, protein ice cream. So I'm going to start with Fairlife skim milk, 12 ounces. I'm going to use 2 ounces of Kirkland organic coconut water. Use 4 ounces of filtered water. Makes 18 ounces of liquid. Now I'm going to put 1 ounce or 28 grams of Fage 0% fat yogurt. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of coconut extract. My recipe right here. I'm going to use Coconut Cream Legion whey protein powder. This is 28 grams, which is 1 scoop. Again, I'll measure everything out to make sure it's correct. I'm going to use 10 grams of Jello pudding, sugar-free cheesecake pudding mix, 10 grams. I'm going to blend all of this together with a stick blender. See, it's all mixed very well. I'll pour this into my Ninja CREAMI container. Seal the lid off. This needs to be frozen for 24 hours. I'll come back tomorrow and show you how to blend it correctly in the Ninja CREAMI for light ice cream. So that's the coconut cheesecake protein ice cream. Hello, today we're going to talk about how to process Ninja CREAMI. So first I want to talk about taking out the ice cream about 15 or 20 minutes before. This is rock hard and it will break the metal piece on the inside. This is the piece I'm referring to. This little metal piece will break. It's just too hard because it goes down, rotates down inside of it. So leave it out about 15 or 20 minutes and then it's ready to go. So you can see it's loosened up a little bit already on the inside because it's been sitting out. So this is coconut cheesecake protein ice cream. So we're going to set this down inside. It locks in place. Turn the machine on. Put the lid on. Lock it in place. Put the machine in. Turn it. This is a full amount of ice cream. So we're going to put it on full. We're going to turn this to light ice cream because it's protein ice cream, and we're going to push go. So this will run about 4 minutes, then we're going to open it and we'll respin it, which is here, so that it makes it nice and creamy. So here we go. Okay, this is the first spin has happened. So we're gonna open it up. Check it out. You can see that down inside, it's a little bit crumbly. So you don't have to do anything to it. You don't have to push it down. You don't have to do anything. Put the lid back on, put it back in. This is the full, so now we're gonna push here, go back to the light ice cream feature, and we're gonna push respin. This makes it nice and creamy. You do not have to add liquid to it. If you add liquid, it'll work just fine, but what we have found is you don't need to do that. You just push the respin and it's perfect ice cream every single time. So here we go, here's the respin. Okay, the respin is done. So take it out. You will see it's perfect ice cream. It's creamy, it's rich, it's smooth. So there are 2 servings in one batch. So Henry likes to have malted milk inside of his. So there's already a hole inside. If there were not a hole, you could take your spoon and you could make a little hole to put the malted milk inside. So we're gonna put about a tablespoon in for him. Pour it in, put the lid back on. He's only gonna have half the ice cream, so we're gonna put it in top. So we're gonna push the top so it mixes in just the top of the ice cream. So put it back on light ice cream, you hit the top, and now respin. Okay, it's all ready. Take it out. I'm going to, you can see it's all mixed in the top. So I'm going to measure out a serving. Prior to freezing the ice cream, I weighed the amount of liquid that I put in. So I knew there were 620 grams in here. So he gets 310 grams for his serving. So we're gonna dip it out. You can see how creamy and smooth the ice cream is. Okay, coconut cheesecake ice cream.